In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet to track tasks. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use task tracker built from a template. Template. So, you can organize your work, stay on top of deadlines, and keep everything in one place. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. If you already have an account, sign in so you can create and save your new sheet. If you're new, you may see options to try Smartsheet. Either way, you just need to get to the main Smartsheet home screen where you can create a new item. Once you're in, look for the Create option. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button in the top left or as a plus icon. Click it to open the creation menu. This is the quickest way to start something new in Smartsheet, whether you're building from scratch or using a template. From the creation options, choose View All Templates. This opens the full template to the gallery, which is a curated set of pre-built sheets designed for common workflows. Using a template saves time and ensures you start with best practice structure. Columns, views, and sometimes even dashboards are already set up for you. In the template gallery, use the search bar and type the word task. Press enter to filter the gallery to options related to task tracking. You'll see several choices, each tailored for different needs. Searching keeps things focused so you don't have to browse through unrelated templates. From the results, select the individual task management template. This template is perfect when you're managing your own to-dos or a simple list of work items. It typically includes helpful columns like task name, due date, status, priority, and assigned to, along with built-in formatting to make it easy to scan and update. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm it fits your style of work. When you're ready, click Create from Template. Smartsheet will generate a new sheet based on that template and place it in your workspace. You'll see it open with all the columns and example rows already in place. From here, you can immediately start typing your tasks into the first column, set due dates, and update status as you make progress. A quick tip, give the sheet a clear name so it's easy to find later, and consider adjusting column names or drop-down values to match your terminology. The template is flexible, so you can tailor it without rebuilding anything. That's it. You've gone from a blank slate to a functional task tracker in just a few clicks, and you're ready to manage your work more confidently in Smartsheet.